Whenever you're participating in the FP20 Analytics challenges, remember that there are two parts of the challenge. There's the main challenge where everybody can participate, and there's the second half, which is the mini challenge. The mini challenge is specifically for Zoom charts. That means that you need to include Zoom charts visuals. We fully understand that not everybody's going to have a license for the visuals or anything, right? So this is the important part. Whenever you sign up for the mini challenge, you can come here, you can sign up with your own account with ZoomCharts if you already have it. You can sign it with Microsoft account or just create a new one. In my case, I'm just going to use my Microsoft account because I have to log in, right? Let's go here, the beloved two-factor authentication, right? There we go. Now, I want to register for the event. And the second thing that's going to happen is, in my case, it's going to be see my license. For those who are going to be new, this is where you can get your developer's license. Now, what the developer's license is, from our side, we create a new Microsoft account for you. And this is the account that you use within Power BI. What this account grants you is access to all of our visuals with the full license. The most important part, remember this, whenever you're working with the challenge report and you want to use our visuals, you need to be signed in with this account because this account is licensed. If you switch to your work account, if you have a license, sure, it's going to work, right? But otherwise, if you switch accounts, it's just going to say unlicensed everywhere because these accounts are specifically licensed for that purpose. So you can use these accounts to create the challenge reports. Secondly, whenever you first log in, this is going to be the initial password, so you can look at it, but it's not valid anymore. This is said right here as well. This is the first password that you get. Afterwards, you define your own password. So please write down or remember the passwords. You can, of course, reset it, right? But just don't forget about the fact that upon the first login, you change the password. This is just so in our systems as well, we don't see your passwords, we don't know your passwords. Just additional security. But yeah, after that, start to work with the challenge. You can download the
So
data right here and you can
can I
submit.
ask a question?
Of course, yeah.
So basically, I go there, I get my report, log in to your that is Power BI service basically,
Mhm.
and then I got my report with all your visuals, and I carry on working on it in desktop without any problem.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay.
So whenever you have a Power BI account, just top right. In my case, yeah, it's my account, right? But you would have your login right here. So as long
Thank you.
as you're logged in, the visuals are going to be working. Everything's going to be fine. Other than that, submit your report, get some feedback, and just have an amazing time. That's the main about idea about these challenges, right? This is a place where you guys can play around with the reports, play around with different data sets, and just see what else is possible out there, and basically challenge yourself, not just the challenge itself, right?